good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when human and cosmic axes align. Ladies and gentlemen, before complexity arose, there was order. Before motion appeared, there was balance. Across the cosmos, from the geometry of galaxies to the timing of a single breath, existence unfolds through alignment rather than assertion. Within this vast orchestration, the human being emerges not as an observer placed apart, but as a conscious convergence point within the design itself. Science now approaches a realization long carried by ancient wisdom. Life advances not by force but by resonance. Human intelligence is not housed in one organ. It is distributed across a living network. Neural pathways, microbial ecosystems, hormonal rhythms, and bioelectrical signals operate as a unified system of awareness. At its foundation lies the gut-brain axis, where nourishment becomes chemistry, chemistry becomes cognition, and cognition becomes choice. When this axis is coherent, the nervous system settles, perception sharpens, and action regains proportion. Yet, even this refined biology does not fully explain the uniquely human capacity to realign, to recover clarity from uncertainty and meaning from disruption. Consciousness introduces a deeper dimension. Modern physics confirms that reality is relational, field-based, and responsive. Observation alters outcomes. Coherence stabilizes complex systems. The human biofield, measurable and dynamic, participates continuously with planetary and cosmic fields, exchanging information beyond conscious awareness. Ancient wisdom described this not as intervention but as communion through alignment. Not appeal, not command, alignment. When intention is sincere and awareness undisturbed, resonance arises naturally. What science identifies as coherence, entrainment, or non-local interaction, wisdom traditions recognized as harmony, with an intelligence that governs without imposition. This intelligence expresses itself through the cosmic axis, an unbroken continuum flowing from the five elements of nature through Earth's living systems into universal consciousness. When human awareness aligns with this axis, support does not arrive as dramatic change. It arrives as integration. Direction becomes evident. Energy conserves itself. Action aligns with timing rather than urgency. Such architecture reveals the deeper purpose of life on earth. Human existence was designed for intelligent participation, to cultivate health, progress with balance, and contribute through shared upliftment. Energy was meant to circulate, nourishment into vitality, thought into action, action into service. This circulation sustains not only individuals but the coherence of existence itself. What's the way forward? Alignment is neither forced nor sought. It is allowed. A nourished gut stabilizes the nervous system. A stable nervous system refines awareness. Refined awareness gives rise to sincere intention. When lifestyle supports biology, the human axis steadies. When intention supports awareness, cosmic axis responds. At their convergence, effort becomes efficient and progress unfolds without resistance. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the human axis and the cosmic axis align, life does not promise certainty. It offers companionship within uncertainty. Ancient wisdom articulated this truth with timeless precision. In the words of Lord Krishna, in the revered Bhagavad Gita, let the self be elevated by awareness. Let it not fall. The self alone can be the ally, and the self alone can be the obstacle. When awareness aligns with intelligence beyond itself, existence does not oppose. It cooperates quietly, faithfully, and exactly as it was always designed to do. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.